Are you looking for the best storage benches in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best storage benches.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Haotian FSR35W White Storage Bench. The Haotian FSR35W is an MDF storage bench with a linen-like fabric seat cushion that is removable for added comfort. It features 2 cubes with doors and a storage compartment in the middle with an adjustable shelf that provides ample storage space. This bench measures W41.3 x D 13.78 x H 16.93 inch and has a load capacity of 330.69 pounds. Assembly is required but detailed instructions are included. Moving on at number 4, we have the Linon Home Decor Cynthia Storage Bench. The Linon Home Decor Cynthia Storage Bench with a walnut finish is a versatile piece of furniture that can add both seating and storage to any room in your home. The flip-top lid and slat back and sides make it easy to access your stored belongings, while the Chinese hardwood, MDF, and plywood construction ensure durability. With a seat height of 18.5 inches, this storage bench will complement your home decor and provide a comfortable spot to sit. At number 3, we have the DM Furniture Storage Ottoman Bench. The DM Furniture Storage Ottoman Bench is a multifunctional piece of furniture designed to provide extra seating and storage space. With its cushioned top, this ottoman is perfect for use in the bedroom, living room, dining room or entryway. The padded hinged lid stays open for safe access to the storage space inside. Its Sherpa fabric with tufting around the body and turned solid wood feet add a modern touch to any decor. This versatile storage bench can be used as an ottoman, coffee table, footstool, side table or extra seating for guests. At number 2, we have the VASAGLE Storage. The VASAGLE storage trunk with 2 safety hinges is a great addition to any living space. The chest stays steadily open at 60 degrees or lower and closes when there is only 2 inches of space left, ensuring safety. With a load capacity of up to 300 pounds, this storage bench is perfect for sitting and changing shoes with ease while also storing various items. The wide, comfortable side handles make it easy to move anywhere for extra storage. Assembly is a breeze with easy-to-read instructions and clearly marked parts. And finally at number 1, we have the HomePop Textured Large Storage Bench. The HomePop Textured Large Decorative Storage Bench is a versatile ottoman bench that can be used as a coffee table or extra seating and storage in your living room. It features a hinged lid and deep storage capacity, making it a stylish addition to your entryway or bedroom. With its classic pattern on a cotton, linen blend fabric, this storage bench adds a touch of elegance to any room. It is easy to assemble and maintain, supporting a capacity of up to 250 pounds. The dimensions are 36 inches L by 16 inches W by 18 inches H and spot cleaning is recommended.
Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.